puppies. These are Coco and Puff's little puppies. That's Coco and that is Puff. And Coco is my most favorite. And these are little puppies. And I named the black and white one Mr. Cow Pup. Get it because it's black and white and it's a puppy. Mr. Cow Pup. And then the black one, I'm gonna do Coco Jr. And then the white one, Puff Jr. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do the other ones, but I actually know one of them. One of them is gonna be Mr. Sailor Pup.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they're like all cuddling together. That is actually so adorable. I'm gonna go self-review or something. I'm gonna self-review or something. And this is Dusty's hair. It turns on and off. And you just look. It glows and it also doesn't glow. At the same time, stopping glowing. And then Dusty has an angry stick man. Okay. Next one. Vacuum. Everybody knows it's a vacuum, so I don't know why I had to say that out. Puppy feeders and water. Puppy. There's even more fish than I thought.
Both of those routes now brings us to this location here, which I think is too far away from the road, but we'll drive past it and identify it. This road here isn't raining that night, turned too soon.
We're gonna have a fishies, guys. And then there's even more here. There's a tiny fishy, a big fishy. There's two more.
This one reminds me of
One was
Yeah, that's little
Oreo.
Yep.
But I'm gonna
the
name.
first picture I saw, I'm just like Oreo Jr. right there.
I think
Little
I'm.
Oreo, I like
I'm gonna name that one Mr. Cow Pup. Mr. Cow Pup. A perfect name. What's so funny?
you.
Can I see that for a second?
Yeah, it's for action pool.
Let's say that he overshoots it by one block. He goes.
I feel another penny.
I was trying to figure out what it was saying on the front.
One more, he overshoots it by
There you go.
3, pulls in the turn and sends it.
Dusty, there's another penny.
Cheers. Any penny you find is yours.
Yay.
As long as it's on the floor, not in a jar with about 1,000 others.
It was just
Yeah.
on a rooftop thing.
There's one right there, too.
Wait, there's another one? Oh yeah, why is there so much
I
pennies?
don't know. Maybe my kid was put all them around 10 pennies.
And then there's a pen. A pen. There's just a pen. What is a good spot to set my toys?
Nowhere.
I'll just stay on Dusty's bed.
By Mommy's purse.
Fine. I just put them on your toys. Oh, dear. One of my duckies. But imagine Ducky. I'm gonna go outside for a little bit.
What you gonna do outside?
So the viewers outside.
Stay out of the road, please.
I will. Love you.
Love you. You got it?
No, it's not opening.
What's an open to it, dude?
That's what I was doing and I have an accent full.
Aren't you special?
I'm not trying to be special. It's because if I just lap the accent full, Dad will be very mad. Okay, this is the port. I don't know where the others really are. Like, there's like 1,000 cars right there. And they're not even in the house or out here. So I don't know why there's cars there. Probably Dusty's. Probably for his neighbor, if that's his neighbor. Now that I think about it, it's probably just his garage. That kid. That's another kid. I'm not gonna worry about him. Get those pebbles. Enough time. I just see enough of pebble. A pebble! This pebble could be cool to walk about. Hope you guys' ears to make them bleed. Oh yeah! I lost a shoe!
You lost your shoe?
Yeah! Can you get it for me while I go inside?
Oh, no.
The puppies really do not like it when I knock the door.
Can you put your shoe back on, please?
Okay. And I found another pebble.
Well, what? Stop picking up pebbles.
Where are you?
I don't want them in my pockets.
Aww, they're actually moving. Coco, what do you want from me?
Oh. What's up? What's up?
That's it. 3, 2, 1. Bye. Subscribe and like the video.